All right, guys, this is going to be a part 2 to the 4th order versus 6th order BandPass. This is the 6x9 tower build that I did for you guys, and these are going to be the bases of the tower. And right now, what we have here is the 6th order BandPass. We've already demoed the 4th order BandPass, and this is going to be the 6th order BandPass. All right, so what you have here, you have 2 ports, and I did warn you guys who did watch the first half of this video that the port noise coming from these little 2-inch ports are phenomenal. They're very irritating, to be honest with you. And I'm going to change this. I don't know even if I'm going to keep this design of the base or not, but definitely I need to get rid of these little 2-inch ports and widen the ports. You guys are definitely going to hear that in the demonstration. But enough of me rambling on. Let's get to the meat of this project, which is the demo. Right now I have let me try to get this thing focused for you guys. Right now, I do have the sweep going from 100 hertz all the way down to 20 hertz, the same as I did on the 4th order BandPass. And yes, this is the 6th, and this is how it's connected in the back for anyone who's wondering like how it's connected. That's pretty much how it's connected right there. I just got 2 little screws coming out of the ass of it, and that's where it gets its connection from. So let's try this again. Look at all that port noise. I know you guys can hear that, man. I hope you guys can hear that. I can hear it audibly well. So I know you guys probably can hear it too. It's almost a whistle at some points, right? So let's give you guys another one of those. And there she blows. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this and we're gonna do a manual sweep. Right now it's at 21. And I know some of you guys did notice that this thing is actually peaking at 60 hertz and around 34 hertz. And that's pretty much what the 2 ports are tuned to. It do everything else pretty decently, but I do notice a big dip at 40 hertz, or in between 40 and 50 something hertz. There's a more flat response, but the 2 peaks are definitely around 35 to 60 hertz. So we're going to do a manual and just do a confirmation of that by doing a manual sweep. Starting at 20, we're going to push play. And we're just going to increase the frequency. 25, 30, and look at all this. Can you guys hear that? That is crazy. And if you guys are wondering what this thing is blowing like, I had some stuff. Check this out, guys. This thing is blowing like crazy. Look at that. It's crazy. It's like a helicopter. Look at that. It's crazy. I mean, you can all the way back here. How low can she go? So if I come all the way back here, this thing is blowing stupid crazy. I can't even angle this thing where you can see the distance of that. Like, hey, there's the 4th order again, y'all. She's still blowing. Look at this. This thing is crazy. But anyway, enough of that. That's 30 hertz. And I did say around 35. give you guys one more sweep here, and we're gonna be done with this. Oh, my battery just died, y'all. Look at that, no juice. It's still trying though. No juice. I was wondering why I was sounding weird. No juice. You see, you guys see I tried to turn it up. I'm like, what's going on here? But the battery is dead. That's why it's not outputting anything. But anyway, I'm going to stop this. And I'm going to wrap this up. I'm going to conclude this. I think you guys did get enough. We did get enough juice out of the battery to get a decent demo of these two. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of the two bases for my towers. Which one should I pick? Should I go with this design or should I go with that design? I don't know. What is your guys' opinion? Do you like it? Do you think it did exceptionally well to be a 6x9? Do you think it did horribly well to be a 6x9 build? And I mean, these boxes are not terribly large considering the size of them, you know, and considering that they are 6x9s. I say they did pretty decent. That's my opinion. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Till next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, it's your boy D, and I'm out.